Oh no, it says the park is closed due to construction.
Oh, it's fine. We can still go. What's the worst that can happen?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is day 26 of Vlogtober. Don't mind this makeup. We just got back in from trick-or-treating. We went to a drive-through little thing. It was kind of like trunk or treat. We just drove through and they put candy into the kids' baskets. So that's what this is about. I also filmed a tutorial on this look. If you're interested in achieving this look as well, I will link it in the cards for you guys to watch. So in today's video, I will just be cooking Halloween themed food all day. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I was gonna make French toast from scratch, but my eggs are expired. So we do have just like the, what do you call it? Like the ready-made French toast out the frozen aisle. So I will be making, well, I guess I'm not making it. I'll be heating it up and cutting it out into Halloween shapes. But the rest of the meals for today and snacks will be homemade and Halloween themed. So right now I am just frying up some bacon and some potatoes and onions. So yeah. Okay, so here is the finished product. I have some hash browns, crispy turkey bacon, and pumpkin shaped French toast. So meal number one.
Look, it was Iron Man, man. You see Iron Man?
We are
doing
my husband's actually excited. We are doing our first Iron Man. We're doing our first trick or treat. That's like actually a drive-through, and I don't know if you can see over there is actually Iron Man and Black Panther. Woohoo!
Oh, good.
So they told us we could take pictures. I'm not quite sure how we're supposed to be taking pictures, or how this works. I guess we just pull up to each tent and say, please stay in your car at all times. Well, no. Okay, so basically it is this line, and I guess we're supposed to loop around. I still don't understand how they're like giving out the candy. Like, is the kids supposed to reach out their hands? Ooh, I think I spotted Elsa.
Man, who was that? Is that Batman?
I think Melly is just not having it.
Is that Batman?
Are you happy? Okay. Okay, so for dinner we're having jack-o'-lantern. Is that how you say it? I think that's how you say it. But jack-o'-lantern stuffed peppers. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So for dinner we are having jack-o'-lantern stuffed bell peppers. So I just got the orange kind. And I am just going to stuff that. So right now I am grounding some turkey, and I have a pot back there boiling so I can toss these peppers into the water for about 4 minutes before I put them into the oven, just because it tastes better that way. Okay, so now you are just going to take your bell pepper, make sure it's washed because Corona. So, yeah, you're just going to take your bell pepper, and then you are going to cut off the top part. Okay, don't be like me. Don't cut off too close to the top. Okay, so we have another one, and we are going to learn from our mistake this time and not cut so close to the top. So I'm just going to cut the top off like that. And you are going to make sure that you clean it real good. Like that. You're basically just going to take all of this out and rinse it out. Okay, so when you're done, it should look like this. It should be completely hollowed out, nothing on the inside. And if they can stand on its own, great. And if it can't, you're just going to have to shave off the bottom of it so that it can stand up. Okay, so now I have all of the peppers apart. So now I'm just gonna go in with some pasta sauce into the ground beef. And so, let's see if you can see that. So, yeah. Just going to combine inside of the meat. That's okay. You want it pretty saucy. Now you're going to add in some rice. Like so. You're just going to combine the chicken broth as well to help cook the rice down. That should be good. And I don't really measure, I kind of just eyeball it. Let me get this good and combined so that the rice can cook down. Just going to let that. Okay, so as your meat mixture is cooking, you are going to cut out your little faces for the peppers. So I'm just gonna go in with a knife and make little triangles for the eyes. And just press it out like that. Missing someone with all your missing someone with all your just going to take them and carefully dump them into the water for about 4 minutes so that you don't get that crunchy taste. Okay, so now we are just going to take the rest of that pasta sauce we have left over, put it in the bottom of our baking dish, like that. Just make sure you spread it out evenly, like so. Now I am just going to start putting these here inside. Okay, so my camera cut out on me. So basically, you're just going to line it with the rest of your pasta sauce, put the peppers in, and then just to stuff it, you'll take a little bit of this filling, stuff it in there like so. Now you're going to take some cheese to top it off. Still had a lot leftovers. I'll just use that in another meal. Now we are going to take our tops and put it on. Then you're just going to pop it in the oven. Okay, so this is the finished product. It will look like this, and I just paired it with a yeast roll. Okay, so that wraps up today's video. I cooked some Halloween themed food today, and I also took my kids to our first drive-through trunk or treat, which was pretty interesting. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to wash this off because I look crazy. So until next time, I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe.